You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!
Yeah, fuck him right now. Get the fuck out of here.
Dang.
Fuck everybody on that other side too, except for Old Red.
Except for Old Red.
Fuck all that.
Fuck everybody over there. Fuck Geechee. Fuck real name Brandon.
Oh, yes, sir.
Fuck who else in that shit? Fuck Swamp nigga. Who else in that shit?
True
Fuck Head Ice for sure. Cause you know he owed me a fee.
Okay.
For sure.
What about shooting?
For sure. Tell it.
I want Shoonie to do well. Shoonie my dog.
Okay.
Shoonie Old Red good. My book. They're my dogs. I want them to do well. If it ain't me, I want it to be them. You know what I'm saying? Fuck real sick too. Say nah, real sick jersey from the city too. Nah, I'll take that. I'm just playing. Fuck stumbles, nigga. Them niggas getting cooked. Everybody getting fried. Everybody better shit the fuck out my way.
Dang.
They better stay
Rum
fuck.
said, I don't know what we talking about.
Better stay out my way, man.
Rum said you ain't talking to him, cuz.
That's low key
I
fact.
really need it though.
Hey, y'all know.
Yeah?
I really need it though.
It's
He
for
already
it.
won.
Hey,
He already won. He don't really want it.
ain't gonna get another.
He don't really want it. He don't really want it. He already won. He don't really want it.
15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!